Okay, Winter Blizzard 2011. I'm recording. What? There's over a 5-foot snowdrift in front of the house.
I can't believe it.
I've already tried opening up the front door and I was not able to do it. But I have to get out to my car because that's where the snow shovel is. So we're going to take a walk. Hey, little puppy, you stay there. Can't open the door.
He opened it.
Holy crap.
He opened it.
That's amazing. What are you doing?
Well, I gotta see it.
Yeah, that's amazing. I gotta try to make my way through this and over this.
Just jump over it.
No. Here we go. Holy shit. Holy shit. I'm on top of the snow. Did you see that? That was incredible. Snow is coming up to my knees. Holy cow. Snowplow didn't come last night. Holy shit, there's 4 feet of snow here, easy. I gotta get to the tailgate of this thing. Holy shit. Oh my god. That's my empty parking spot. There's no way. Look at that. That's incredible. Crap. Alright, I gotta put this. Okay, I got the snow shovel. I'm gonna venture back here. Holy shit. This snow is probably at least 2 feet deep here. Maybe more. Holy shit. Look at that. The snow is up to my knee. Holy shit. That is incredible. Most of these houses are completely snowed in. I don't know how the old people in this area are going to get out of their house. That's incredible. Holy shit. Incredible.